Most people assume building wealth is primarily about income. They believe the people who become financially successful simply earn more money, receive better opportunities, or get lucky at the right time. While income certainly matters, it does not explain why some people earning modest salaries quietly build impressive net worths, while others earning six figures remain financially stressed for decades. If income alone created wealth, every high earner would become financially independent. Yet reality tells a very different story. Many people spend their entire lives working hard, earning more than they ever expected, and still never achieve the financial freedom they imagined. The real reason is often hidden beneath the surface, making it difficult to recognize until years have already passed. Think about two people who begin their careers around the same time. Both earn reasonable incomes. Both have access to the same financial information. Both want a better future. 20 years later, one has investments, savings, and growing financial security. The other still feels trapped by bills, debt, and constant money pressure. The difference usually is not a single catastrophic mistake. Instead, it is a collection of small behaviors repeated so consistently that they quietly shape an entire financial future. What makes this issue particularly dangerous is that it rarely feels like a problem while it is happening. Most people do not wake up one morning and decide they never want to build wealth. Instead, they gradually adopt habits and beliefs that make wealth building increasingly difficult. By the time the consequences become obvious, valuable years have already disappeared. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos from us. With that said, let's get back to the video. The real reason many people never build wealth is that they focus almost entirely on income while ignoring ownership. Society teaches people to celebrate earnings. Promotions are celebrated. Salary increases are celebrated. Bigger paychecks are celebrated. Yet very little attention is given to what happens after the money arrives. Wealth is not determined by how much passes through your hands. Wealth is determined by how much remains under your control and continues growing over time. This misunderstanding creates a cycle that affects millions of people. They work harder to earn more money, then immediately increase spending to match their higher income. A larger apartment replaces a smaller one. A more expensive car replaces an older vehicle. New subscriptions, upgraded vacations, and higher monthly expenses quietly absorb every financial improvement. From the outside, life appears more successful. Internally, financial dependence remains exactly the same. This process is known as lifestyle inflation, and it is one of the greatest enemies of long-term wealth. The dangerous part is that lifestyle inflation rarely feels irresponsible. Most upgrades appear reasonable when viewed individually. A nicer home seems justified. A better car feels deserved. A few extra luxuries appear harmless. The problem is that these decisions compound. Eventually, income growth becomes permanently attached to lifestyle growth instead of wealth growth. Another reason people struggle to build wealth is because they prioritize comfort over ownership. This does not mean comfort is bad. The problem occurs when every financial decision is judged by immediate enjoyment rather than long-term benefit. Wealth often requires temporary sacrifices that produce future rewards. Investing money today means not spending it today. Saving money means delaying certain pleasures. Paying off debt means accepting short-term discipline for long-term freedom. Unfortunately, the human brain naturally prefers immediate rewards. Spending creates instant satisfaction. Investing creates delayed satisfaction. Because of this, many people consistently choose what feels good now rather than what creates freedom later. Over time, those choices accumulate into dramatically different financial outcomes. Debt also plays a major role in preventing wealth creation. Many people underestimate how much wealth is destroyed by years of interest payments. Every dollar spent on interest is a dollar that cannot be invested, saved, or used to increase ownership. Debt creates a situation where future income becomes committed before it is even earned. The longer this pattern continues, the harder it becomes to create meaningful financial momentum. What makes debt especially dangerous is that it often disguises itself as affordability. People stop asking whether they can afford the total purchase and begin asking whether they can afford the monthly payment. That small shift changes everything. Suddenly, expensive purchases appear manageable because the immediate payment seems small. Over time, however, dozens of monthly obligations begin consuming income that could have been building wealth instead. Another hidden reason people never build wealth is the absence of a clear financial destination. Most people know they want more money, but very few know exactly what they are building toward. Imagine trying to reach a destination without knowing where it is. Progress becomes difficult to measure. Decisions become harder to evaluate. Without a financial target, spending often wins because it provides immediate satisfaction, while wealth building remains vague and abstract. Financially successful people often think differently. They have specific goals. They know why they are investing. They know why they are saving. They understand what financial freedom means for their lives. That clarity makes short-term sacrifices easier because they can see the long-term purpose behind them. There is also a psychological factor that receives far less attention than it deserves. Many people spend money to solve emotional problems rather than practical ones. Stress leads to shopping. Boredom leads to spending. Anxiety leads to lifestyle upgrades that provide temporary relief. Unfortunately, purchases rarely solve the underlying issue. The emotional satisfaction fades quickly, while the financial consequences remain. Over time, emotional spending becomes one of the most expensive habits a person can develop. Small purchases made for emotional reasons often seem insignificant individually, yet when repeated regularly, they quietly consume resources that could have been creating future wealth. I'm curious about your experience. What do you think has been the biggest obstacle to building wealth in your own life so far? Let us know in the comments below, because your answer might resonate with more people than you realize. Perhaps the most important reason some people never build wealth is that they underestimate the power of consistency. Wealth creation rarely happens through dramatic breakthroughs. Most financially successful people did not discover secret investments or receive extraordinary opportunities. They simply repeated effective financial behaviors for long periods of time. They saved consistently. They invested consistently. They controlled spending consistently. The results eventually became significant because time amplified their efforts. Many people become discouraged because progress initially appears slow. The first few $1,000s saved may not feel life-changing. Early investment growth may seem unimpressive. Debt reduction can feel frustratingly gradual. Yet wealth often behaves like a snowball rolling downhill. The beginning feels slow, but momentum increases over time. Those who remain consistent long enough eventually experience results that once seemed impossible. At the beginning of this video, we talked about two people starting from similar positions and ending up in very different financial situations. The difference was not luck. It was not intelligence. It was not access to secret information. One person consistently converted income into ownership, while the other consistently converted income into consumption. That distinction may sound simple, but it explains why so many people work hard for decades without building meaningful wealth. The real reason some people never become wealthy is not because they lack opportunity. It is because they never develop the habits that allow opportunity to compound. The encouraging news is that this can change at any time. Every dollar saved, every investment made, every debt payment completed, and every smart financial decision creates momentum. Wealth is not built in a single day. It is built through thousands of decisions that gradually move life in a better direction. The best time to start building wealth may have been years ago, but the next best time is today. The decisions you make from this point forward will eventually become the financial future you live in. If you want to keep developing the habits that lead to financial success, check out one of the videos on your screen right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you there.